The combination of main scale and dial gauge reading results in the total reading. We shall now consider how to read the dial gauge. The gauge consists of a calibrated face and a needle indicator, which rotates around the calibrated division as the cursor is moved. When the caliper jaws are fully closed, the needle sits at the 0 position. The reading is therefore 0 millimeters. If the jaws are opened until the needle has moved around the face by 1 revolution, then the figure must be read as 5 millimeters. This can be confirmed by observing that the main beam reading is now showing 5 millimeter divisions. The major markings on the face of the dial read in full millimeters. Each millimeter is divided by 20 subdivisions. The 10th division is a half millimeter division, marked with the figure 0,5. If the needle is moved from 0 to 0,5, then the cursor will have moved by half a millimeter. This is just noticeable on the main beam scale. However, if the needle only moves by 1 small division, then the cursor has moved only 1/20th of a millimeter. Let's look at some example readings. This example shows the needle on the first small division, which represents 1/20th of a millimeter, written as 0,05 millimeters. If the needle moves to the next division, the reading is twice 0,05. That is to say, it is 0,1 millimeters. What do you make this reading to be? It's 0,65 millimeters, made up from the 0,5 plus 3 small divisions. The simple calculation is then 0,5 plus 3 small divisions of 0,05 each, totaling 0,65 millimeters. Take time now to complete the exercise on dial gauge reading in your workbook. After that, you will learn how to make a total or combined reading.